Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. It is my pleasure to introduce myself here. My name is Atul Agarwal and I am 19 years old. I hail from Bombay. As of my education, I have studied at Oxford English School and Junior College, Bombay. So, after HSC, I am here to complete graduation. I am also actively involved in various extracurricular activities such as community service and social work, which have helped me develop skills such as teamwork, leadership, and time management. I am so thrilled to be a part of this amazing institution. I am proud to say that my parents are my strength. Both of them are teachers. When it comes to favorite subjects, I just love English. My hobbies are reading and gym. To keep myself up to date, I read various books and I also like to watch various documentaries. I want to be a writer in future. I want to write books on patriotism and serve our country, India. I am quite confident that my strong work ethic, ability to adapt to new situations, and willingness to learn will enable me to achieve my goals. My greatest plus point is my communication skills. I learn as much as possible. So, this is what I am. Thank you for your precious time.